Hello, and a warm welcome to the Mind, Body, Holistic. This is a guided meditation for pain relief and recovery. Know that it is completely normal and natural to want pain to stop. We all long for comfort and freedom in our body. And yet, recovery, especially after surgery, is not always easy. It's not always as we expect. Healing may take longer than hoped. Your body may not feel exactly the same as before. And yet, take a moment to know your body has intuitive wisdom. When you trust and you make room, just remind yourself you are healing, step by step, moment by moment. And this practice is here to help you soften, to reconnect with your body through your breath, to find a moment of calm. To make space for what is. Maybe to find some hope for recovery, knowing you have all the time you need. Hope can still be there, no matter the pace. So as we begin, take a gentle breath in, and then a long, slow breath out, and just notice, how is your body responding? And take another deep breath in, and then let it out slowly. Just imagine you are releasing tension with each breath, little by little. Take a moment to remind yourself that pain is not only physical. It touches all parts of your being, your body, your beliefs, your emotions, your thoughts, relationships, and other parts of your life. And also know that sometimes you have lots of thoughts around it. Maybe you're thinking, I can't cope. I can't keep living like this. Will I ever recover? It's taking too long. And no, all of these thoughts are normal. And also remember, you are not your thoughts. Just allow them to be there. Let them drift, like clouds across a vast blue sky. And as you continue to breathe, perhaps you can bring some curiosity to any sensations that you notice in your body. Where do you feel them? Just scan your body, noticing sensations. Are they sharp or dull? Are they hot? Are they warm? Are they cool? Maybe they're numb. Maybe they're steady Maybe they keep changing. And simply notice without judgment. You don't have to like these sensations. Accepting them doesn't mean you want them to be there. You're just simply allowing them to be there. Use your breath to gently feel into them. And you can imagine that your breath is flowing like light through your body. Perhaps you can imagine light coming through the top of your head. With each inhale, you could imagine the light traveling down to your chest, your heart, down to your belly, flowing out, down your legs, down your arms, all the way to your feet and your fingertips. Your body filling with white light, warm. And with each exhale, just imagine any tension in your body softening. Imagine space opening, making room. And if at any time you notice any resistance, maybe you're feeling like you want to push the sensations away, just notice. And if you can, take a moment to wonder, what if? What if instead of fighting, resisting, you could gently make room? And remember, making room is not giving up. It's just allowing what is there to be there with compassion. And you may notice thoughts about your recovery. Perhaps you're thinking, I can't do this anymore. What if I don't go back to normal? Things are not like how I hoped. I imagined I'd be here by now. And just let them float by. It's okay to have these thoughts, and we don't need to hold on to them. And just know, recovery may not always look like you imagined. And in giving yourself this time, you are creating a new normal. Day by day, step by step. Just as an elephant is eaten one step at a time, not whole, healing unfolds with your body's divine wisdom, little by little, when you create the space and the optimum conditions. And you've already shown such great courage, perhaps by going to the surgery, and also by being here today. And if you feel willing, take another slow, deep breath. Inhale and hold gently. Then exhale. And again, inhale. Hold and exhale. And take a moment just to feel what your body feels like now compared to when you first came into this practice. Feel your body settling into presence and be curious. What do you notice? Have the sensations changed? Have the thoughts changed? And remember, your body has the intuitive wisdom, it knows what to do. So just soften and trust. Now we're going to take a moment to just come back to the room. Notice 5 things that you can see around you. Perhaps you can feel the clothing against your skin, the pressure of your body against the chair or the bed beneath you, maybe your feet on the ground. Notice what else you can hear. And finally, take a last deep breath in, then let go. Know that you are here, safe, present in this moment, and moving gently forward in your recovery. And when you're ready, you can open your eyes and take this calm and self-compassion with you for the rest of the day. Go well.